These are some of the most jaw-dropping, unbelievable nature moments caught on camera from the past decade. Get ready for extreme weather, shocking natural disasters, and mind-blowing forces of nature that you have to see to believe. Let's get started. Driving through a wildfire.
I think we go faster.
Do I go?
Easy, easy. All right, we're good. Slow down, slow down. Big rut here. Just slow down. We're out of that fire. No, easy.
Dad, the car is heating up. It's gonna explode.
We're all right.
Oh, Jesus, God, help us.
We're all right. Slow it down.
This one is like a scene straight out of an apocalypse movie. This driver had no choice but to navigate through a wildfire engulfing everything around them. Earthquake interrupts wedding. Weddings are supposed to be emotional, but this couple got an unexpected surprise when an earthquake struck in the middle of their vows. Hopefully, for better or worse, includes seismic activity. Water flowing horizontally.
Tourists hesitate to drive on because this is something you don't see every day. A storm made this waterfall in India flow horizontally.
Tourists came to a stop, unsure whether to move forward, because this was something you don't see every day. A powerful storm had turned this waterfall in India into a spectacle, forcing the water to flow horizontally. Swimmer in pool. During earthquake, talk about a terrifying pool experience. This swimmer was caught in a hotel rooftop pool when an earthquake struck, turning the water into a swirling mini tsunami. Lion encounter.
I know.
This is the most intense lion encounter ever caught on camera. Admire nature, but be wise enough to keep a safe distance. Sinkhole swallows. Football field.
Soccer field is caught on video. Look at this. Oh my goodness. There goes the light. A giant hole suddenly opens up in the middle of the field in Alton, Illinois. Luckily, no kids were playing on the field at the time. Wow. Apparently, it was built on top of an old mining site with a 50-foot high ceiling. Look at that. Clearly, that wasn't enough. Oh my gosh. The city's working with the mining company to stabilize the area. Can you even imagine if that had happened? Nope, don't want to imagine it.
Don't even complete that sentence.
Nope. Wow.
Imagine heading to football practice only to find that the entire field is gone. This monstrous sinkhole opened up and swallowed everything in sight. Lightning strikes a plane. Mid-flight. Flying is already nerve-wracking, but imagine looking out the window and seeing your plane get struck by lightning. Luckily, modern planes are built to handle it, but still, horrifying, right? Escaping a 7.0 magnitude earthquake. This heart-pounding footage captures people running for their lives as a massive earthquake shakes the ground beneath them. Lava devours a house in Hawaii. You can't stop lava, and this video proves it. A slow-moving but unstoppable wall of molten rock swallowed an entire house. Strong winds. Lift a semi-truck.
Some more, it rains, it pours, it rains, it pours. She came, that came, that was my name, my chain, my pain.
There it is, there it is. Told you.
They know.
He's oh! Oh! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah,
Truck highway driving is already stressful, but imagine watching a semi-truck get lifted off the ground by extreme winds. This video proves that Mother Nature has no respect for the laws of physics. Tsunami sweeps coast. A massive tsunami slammed into the coast, swallowing everything in its path. Streets turned into raging rivers, buildings were torn apart, and people scrambled for safety. This was nature at its most terrifying, a horror scene unfolding in real time. Lightning explodes a tree on a car. This is why you should never park under a tree during a storm. A bolt of lightning struck a tree and sent it crashing down onto an unlucky car. Filmmakers caught in terrible avalanche. These filmmakers were out capturing stunning nature footage when they suddenly found themselves in the middle of a monstrous avalanche. It's all fun and games until the mountain starts chasing you. Hair standing up on its end before lightning strike.
These tourists on a cruise ship suddenly experience some extreme static electricity. This is actually a pretty scary warning sign, as it means lightning could strike at any moment.
Mọi người ơi, tóc dựng lên, giống như là nữ thần mà.
If your hair starts doing this, run. This eerie video captures the moment just before a lightning strike, proving that nature does give warnings, if you know what to look for. Dashcam footage of a police car driving into a tornado. This police officer had a front row seat to one of the most dangerous storms ever. The dashcam footage shows the sheer chaos of driving straight into a tornado. Mudslide in Switzerland, caught on camera. This massive mudslide came barreling down a mountainside, taking everything in its path. The force of nature is both stunning and terrifying. Man and umbrella versus strong winds. Ever seen someone get completely owned by wind? This man bravely, or foolishly, attempted to walk through a windstorm with an umbrella. The results? Not great for the umbrella, or the man. Nature is wild, unpredictable, and sometimes downright terrifying. From powerful earthquakes shaking the ground beneath us to tsunamis swallowing entire coastlines, these videos prove just how small we are in the face of nature's fury. Whether it's lightning splitting trees in half or winds tossing semi-trucks like toys, these moments remind us of the raw power of our planet. What was the most shocking nature moment you've ever seen? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one.